DOS, your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. It's essential to work in a well-lit area to avoid any mishaps during the process. First, unplug your Dyson HP02 from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the appliance is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the Dyson. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this step. With the back cover off, you will see the internal wiring. Locate the cable connection point. You will notice that the cable is secured with a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws to free the old cable. If the cable is frayed or damaged, it's crucial to replace it to ensure the appliance operates safely. Now, take your new cable and prepare it for installation. Strip the ends of the cable using your wire cutters, exposing enough wire to make a secure connection. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Next, connect the new cable to the same points where the old cable was attached. Ensure that the connections are tight and secure, as loose connections can lead to further issues down the line. Once you've made the connections, replace the screws to hold the cable in place. Before assembling the back cover, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your Dyson HP02. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the efficiency of your appliance. Now, carefully align the back cover with the main body of the Dyson and press it into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. This will help keep the cover in place and protect the internal components. Finally, plug your Dyson HP02 back into the mains and test the new cable. If everything is functioning correctly, you successfully replaced the cable. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your appliance serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. If you're unsure about any part of this process, we also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. This way, you can make an informed decision about your appliance's maintenance. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your Dyson HP02 is now in perfect working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.